So during the MACH week, we will be doing a live stream from Dugard's stand. I'm with Eric Dugard, the Managing Director. Eric, you looking forward to getting back to the show?
Yeah, very much, Paul. It's going to be exciting. I think it's been a long break now before any exhibitions have been on in the UK, so it should be a good turnout.
How does this material machine?
It's one of the hardest questions to answer, and we get asked it an awful lot in the sales division. Special alloys, complex alloys such as 718 and 625 are by nature high nickel alloys, and the answer is almost impossible to give. It's not like machining mild steels or stainless steels. So each facet of machining, such as boring, turning, milling, tapping, is a different answer. So what we try to do is collaborate and with some special skills here, the work holding, the cutting tools, to try and demonstrate the complexities of machining this material and how you can overcome those complexities.
If you're thinking about automation but maybe scared by the costs, then you need to be speaking to Shunk at MACH.
Yes, Lindsay, we have a solution. So if you want to join the machine tending revolution, where you're afraid of the cost and the difficulty of implementing, we have a solution that starts from £5,000. You unbox in the morning and run in the afternoon for your vertical milling machine called Lean Automation, which we'll be showing on the show.
It's been cancelled, postponed, delayed. We've had the spectre of a global pandemic, but MACH is back. James, thank you for joining us. When did we last see you?
So MACH was last on in 2018. 4 years ago.
4 years, it's flown by, but MACH 2022, first of all, people don't know, when is it?
So it's the 4th to the 8th of April.
And where is it?
At the NEC in Birmingham.
I'm sure they all will know that, but just to confirm. And in the back of everybody's mind, still just to cover off COVID restrictions, are there any?
So we've got no additional restrictions, we're following national guidelines, but it will be just as normal.
As normal, absolutely brilliant. Do you need to get registered?
Yes, so best way of doing that is you go to the MACH exhibition website, machexhibition.com.
Perfect timing just there.
Look at that, perfect. And then visitor registration's at the top of that page. You can pre-register and then you will just be able to walk straight into the show.